You're going to do a song for us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Whistling on My Mind.
Yes.
Okay, let's hear it.
Okay.
Drop Lisa. That's wonderful. Wasn't that good? Wasn't that good? Are you tired? Are you thirsty? Does it make you thirsty?
Well, I was up there. I was thinking, wow, I should have taken a drink of water before.
First, right.
Yes. It's hard to keep your pucker up if it's not irritated.
You got to lubricate your pucker. There goes the balls again.
They probably would have stacked up better.
We'll be back.